Unlocking Inner Strength, a journey through hot yoga. Welcome to a transformative journey of heat, sweat, and personal strength. Today, we dive deep into the world of hot yoga, a practice known for its numerous physical and mental benefits. Imagine a room heated up to 105 degrees Fahrenheit. As you step in, you instantly feel your heart rate picking up, your body readying itself for the challenge that awaits. You start with Pranayama, deep controlled breathing that harmonizes your body and mind. As you inhale and exhale, you feel the heat permeating your body, awakening your senses. Next, we transition to the half moon pose. You stretch your arms to the sky, your body bending to the side, an arch forming. The heat intensifies, your muscles working harder, sweat trickling down. Now we move to the awkward pose. Your thighs burn, your lungs pant, but you hold strong. You are stronger than your discomfort. You are pushing past your limitations. We proceed to the eagle pose, challenging your balance and flexibility. Your legs tangle, arms twist around each other. The heat, the sweat, your heart racing, it's uncomfortable, but in this discomfort, you grow. Next is the standing head to knee pose. You stretch, your forehead touching your leg, the heat flushing toxins from your body. You are not just enduring the heat, you are thriving in it. Then we transition to the balancing stick pose. Your body forms a perfect T, the heat a fiery companion. You wobble but don't fall. You are finding balance in the chaos, just like life itself. We proceed to the triangle pose. As you stretch out into the pose, you feel a deep sense of inner peace. The heat fuels your determination, your focus narrowing down to just you and your practice. Next, we move to the spine twisting pose. You rotate, your spine extending, the heat facilitating flexibility. Every bead of sweat is a release of your body's impurities, a sign of your perseverance. We conclude with Savasana, the final relaxation pose. Lying on your back, you release tension from each pore, the heat subsiding, leaving you with a sense of achievement and a body cleanse from within. Hot yoga is not just an exercise, but a testament to your resilience, your will to push past discomfort. Every drop of sweat marks your progress, every heat wave a hurdle you've overcome. Remember, you are stronger than you think.